Ladies, if you want to have a more voluminous long hair, there are some things you have to avoid. Don't put too much heat on your hair while using blow dry, while using dryers. Avoid harsh chemicals on your hair. And don't plait your hair every now and then, It weakens your hair. Like for example, my hair above, I don't plait it. I just wash it. I blow dry it minimally, and it grows. As I use I add some things to my hair, like avocado, like eggs, like aloe vera, the natural one. I add all of them and use it to wash my hair with, and then blow dry. And I've seen it growing my hair longer and longer. I will show you